Man, this trip has been a long time coming. It's unbelievable. Today I'm leaving for 4 weeks on the road with this car, and the first week is going to be with a buddy. The second 2 weeks are going to be with my family, and the last bit is with a well-known co-pilot. And this is a bit of the journey and stuff that I did to prepare this one. Man, I'm nervous. I haven't done a long trip like this in 2 years. So why would anyone go through the trouble of removing a perfectly functional axle in a very well driving car? Now, it just didn't look right. Just before we did the Find Anywhere film for Frontrunner, I had this axle out for this very reason, because it sat even worse. And I tried to adjust the torsion bars, but apparently I didn't do quite a correct job on it, which resulted in this thing still being too low. Not while it's stationary, but when it's loaded. And given that I put a rack on it and all the extra stuff I'm always carrying around, plus the weight of 2 passengers, which I didn't factor in, I'm gonna take it apart now. Again. I tried every single diversion from this to not have to do it. The sad thing about all of this is it looks virtually identical. It's time to grab some stuff so that we can make it a bit cooler. Yeah. So here's my logic. I don't know if it stands or not. I could put the wheel in the spare wheel well, but I think I need that space for a tent and sleeping bags, which should always be dry, which is why the wheel is now on the rack. And then I think one box is working fine on top because it's waterproof. And then we have two more to go on the inside. By the way, those boxes are the new Wolfpack Pros by Frontrunner, and I think they're really, really nice. Go check them out. I like them. Actually, I like all of this. It looks really, really nice. One could think we've already put a rack on a 924 before. Quick advertisement on strength. The original roof rack is rated for 25 or 50 kilos respectively. I am more than that. We can make stickers now. Honestly, you didn't really think I would leave you hanging like that, do you?